Selling online courses. How to make $5,000 a month. Most people think you need 1 million followers to make real money selling online courses. They're dead wrong. I'm about to show you exactly how creators are banking $5,000 a month with audiences under 50,000 people. And the best part? You don't need to be a celebrity. You just need to know the actual system. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact 3-part framework that separates $500 a month course creators from the $5,000 ones. Part 1. The Foundation. WHO buys your course. Let's get real. The riches are in the niches. Stop thinking about selling courses to everyone. That's a guaranteed path to broke. The 5,000 a month creators have studied all obsess over one specific person. Not 10 different people. 1. Here's what that looks like in practice. Let's say you're teaching personal finance. Specifically how to max out a Roth IRA. Your ideal student isn't anyone interested in investing. It's a 32-year-old software developer who just got her first 6-figure salary and has no idea what to do with it. She makes too much for a regular 401k strategy. She's heard about backdoor Roth conversions but doesn't understand them. She has maybe 3 hours a week to learn. She's willing to pay for clarity. That specificity is everything. Now here's the conversion math. Let's say you build an email list of 5,000 people genuinely interested in what you teach. Industry standard says about 2 to 3% convert to paying students. That's 100 to 150 people. At $37 for a basic course, you're looking at $3,700 to $5,500. Boom. You hit $5,000. The people making $10,000 plus a month? Same structure. Bigger list, higher price. Better conversion rate, but same fundamentals. Part 2. The mechanism. How to build your list and sell. This is where most people get lost. They build a course first, then they try to find people for it. That's backwards. The 5,000 a month creators do this. They start with YouTube. They start with TikTok. They start with wherever their people already hang out. And they give away the best content for free. Let me be specific. You create free videos solving the actual problem your course solves. But you solve 70% of it. Your course solves the remaining 30% and provides the accountability. Example. How to actually use a Roth IRA. That's a free YouTube video. In that video, you explain what a Roth is. Contribution limits for 2024. Basic investment options. You're genuinely helpful. Then at the end, not pushy, just natural, you say something like, if you want the step-by-step walkthrough of actually opening one and which fund to pick first, I've got a course. Here's the moneymaker. You include a link to an email sign-up in your description. You're not asking for the sale yet. You're asking for their email. You're building the list. Most creators get this wrong. They're trying to sell the course directly. Smart creators are building lists. A list is an asset. A list is repeatable. A list is predictable income. Once someone joins your email list, you send them a sequence. Maybe 5 emails over 2 weeks. You're teaching more valuable content. Building trust, then you make your offer. The conversion rates look like this. 100 email subscribers might get you 2 or 3 course sales at $37. That's $70 to $100 per 100 subscribers. Over a year. With growing lists. That's serious money. Part 3. The pricing. How to actually hit $5,000. Here's what separates $500 a month from $5,000. Beginners usually price courses at $17 to $27. That feels safe. That feels accessible. That's also the reason they're broke. 5,000 a month creators price strategically. They might have a starter course at $27, but their real money comes from a mid-tier course at $97. Maybe even a premium option at $300 that includes one-on-one coaching or accountability. Think about it this way. If you need 135 students at $37 to hit $5,000, you need only 52 students at $97. 52 feels way more achievable than 135. And here's what's wild. Students actually value higher-priced courses more. They engage more. They complete more. They leave better reviews. The 5,000 a month creator might have 1,500 people on their list. 2% convert. That's 30 people. At $97, you're at $2,900. Add in a couple of $300 premium sales, and you're over 5,000 in a single month. # your move. Here's what you do this week. Identify one specific person who has your problem. Write down exactly what they struggle with. That's your niche. Build your first 5 YouTube videos solving different angles of that problem. Get them optimized. Start building that email list. Price a beginner course at $37 and a mid-tier at $97. You can adjust later, but you need something to sell first. The 5,000 a month creators aren't geniuses. They're just systematic. Now you know the system.